In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to delete your search history on YouTube. So if I turn off this right here, you will see that I have my recommended. But if you look around, you can see that I don't see my search history. So if I want to locate it, you want to click U right here. So click that. Then it will have your history. So you then want to click view all. And then there we go. All my history, all the things I watch. If I want to delete just one, let's say I want to delete Judas from Lady Gaga. So then just click remove from watch history and it says all views of this video removed from history. So that is perfect. Let's say I want to manage my history. You click manage history to the right. Then you can manage all of these things like auto delete. So auto delete activity after 36 months and you can change all of this. But if I were to just go back to YouTube, if you want to clear all your search history, this is everything. You click this button right here, clear all watch history. So click that, click clear watch history, and then boom, this list has no videos. So that means I've watched nothing, or as if someone were to go on my computer and checked, I would have watched nothing. So if I want to pause my watch history, click this, then it says pausing watch history can make it harder to find videos you watched, and then it says fewer recommendations for new videos in YouTube and other Google products. There we go. If I click pause, then go home, let's just say I click on several videos. If I were to go back to YouTube, it will say watch history allows us to show you the latest videos tailored to your interest, and it basically shows no videos, like at all. So I definitely recommend if you want to hide it, and that is how you turn it off. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.